Welcome to my channel. I'm Tara and I am doing my unboxing for my Liveglam. I do 2 subscriptions with them. They do have 3. And mine I do is a palette and the brushes. I do Morphe brushes from them, and then I do like I said, a palette. Then they also do some lip glosses. I have over 1,200 lippies, so I really shouldn't do the palettes either, but I can't help myself. So with Liveglam this month, now this is every month I get brushes from them, the Brush Club. And with them, this month is the Grease Galore. Oh, look at, so pretty. This is the Mykonos collection, and I was really excited. Because of this brush. These, I was like, okay, I had, these, so I got 6 brushes, so you get between 4 and 6 brushes every month. But this one, this flat buffer, I was like, ooh, I want the flat buffer. I was really excited about the flat buffer this month. So, and this is a Kabuki size buffer brush, and it's so soft. And that was why, and it's like $20 a month for the brush collection. But this was why I wanted it. So yeah, the Pro Deluxe Flat Buffer. So yeah, so that was the one I wanted for that airbrush finish and everything. And so this is Pro Deluxe E54 was what I wanted. So hold on, let's get into what else I got too. Oh wait, I was like, wait, there's more brushes in my hand. I just did my makeup and stuff, so my other brushes are in my hand. Hold on. Okay, so the other 5 I've got. This is the M710 angled lip brush. I'm kind of fascinated by this one too. And I got the Pro Round blender. So it's got a dome tip. I don't want to take them out of the plastic quite yet. And this is the M510. Then we have the Firming Blending Fluff 503. The angle liner and the spoolie, so I got a new spoolie one, which is good. Now I usually bend these guys so I can kind of really, but he's kind of bigger than what I normally, I've used the heck out of these guys, and he's a M158. And I use these for more than just my brows. And then this is the pointed contour, so for more defined, not that this saggy lady chin and everything, but for contouring, this is the R13. So those are the brushes I got for this month, and the brushes come every month if you want. You can skip if you want to skip. You don't have to get them every month. And then I also get the palette. Now this comes every 2 months, or every other month. And it is bougie. And it's Liveglam the bougie. So there is some, look at that sparkle. Look at that. Doo-doo. Oh my. She's definitely bougie. So they're usually a 10 to 12 pan palette. Hold on, let's play with a couple. We'll get the sparkle in there, because if not, a friend of mine would be like, why didn't you pull out some sparkle? I just unboxed something else, so that's not, I'm kind of liking the feel of that one. that'll be fun to play with too. So it's definitely some bougie. So we'll have to see how well it goes on and play with it. But oh, the packaging, we got some glam going on. So it'll be fun to play with, definitely. So I got some of my glam going on. I got some more brushes. Like I said, the brush ones alone, I want to play with this. So I'm excited about this one. So this is definitely was what I was looking forward to. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I hope everyone else is enjoying their collection, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.